That's the issue. Sustainable, profitable growth only happens if you're doing it on purpose. Otherwise, you're always subject to the whims of your best customer, the whims of the marketplace at large, and you can never quite explain why good things happened. And if you can't explain why good things happen, you will not be in a position to prevent bad things from happening. So make sure you're not just riding the roller coaster, but you actually have some real sense of what you can do. And again, I acknowledge completely, we cannot control the weather. There are things that happen in every market, every economy that is just beyond your ability to control. And nobody can. It's just the economies are too vast, too complex. But you do your part by understanding where the growth came from, really getting into the internals, where your revenue comes from, your profitability comes from, where your cost structure comes from. The more you understand that, the more you're able to make some investments to actually drive investments. By the way, I don't mean just spend a ton of money on like a marketing agency or something. I just mean it could be investment of time, of effort, of focus. You say, well, it seems like we're getting some traction in this industry. We didn't think we were going to do anything with medical supplies, but it seems like that's a real opportunity for us based on these recent wins. How are you going to experiment with that? How are you going to dig into that? Those are the questions you have to ponder. So that when you look at your growth and you say, we grew 30% year over year, and here's why, then you know you have greater confidence. You can have greater confidence that you could do that again and again and again. And if market circumstances contributed to that growth and they change, you can adapt because it's all intentional. It's all business growth on purpose.